4-5 speakers from student members for the Coimbatore Hub Congress, which has happened at Jansen's Institute of Technology last month. I think 31st of July. We had Coimbatore Hub Congress at Jansen's. So the thing is, you will also get an opportunity. I really felt for inviting speakers from Chennai. One is cost cutting. Automatically, when I wanted to invite people from Chennai, I have to spend for them, right? If we have enough speakers at Coimbatore, then we won't depend on people from Chennai. So I think people are having a lot of potentials, but you have to go out to go for these kind of things. So you develop a certain area at IEEE. Lot of benefits are there. That one area you can concentrate so that it will be useful for you and you can go as a speaker. So the first task is about your joint student branch activities, and second one is volunteering out of the student branch. You can go as a, suppose if you are really doing a lot of volunteering, then you may get a chance of getting selected as section student representative. So we have one post called section student representative in the executive committee of IEEE Madras section. One student representative is there. You are an invitee for the executive committee meeting. The thing is, you can take a decision. You can give your opinion in taking decisions across the Madras section. Whatever decisions is taken, it is only in IEEE, that is EXECOM meeting. So you can also give your own views. You can represent the students' problems to the executive committee meeting, so that you will also get a lot of chances to coordinate all the student branches. The section student representative is a representative who is coordinating all the student branches. Nowadays, now only the section student representative is getting a lot of activities. So far that SSR is kind of post, he'll come and go, that's all. So now we thought of giving a lot of tasks to them. He is doing it really good. So you may be getting that opportunity. So once you do a lot of activities like this, joint student branch activities and your volunteering activities, section level events are there, you can represent yourself as a volunteer for this. This particular thing I'll take care, sir. So this designing part you give it to me, I'll do it. In fact, we had a small meeting at my home for, there is a preparatory meeting for IEEE Coimbatore Hub Congress. Some of your student volunteers have come. So really I appreciated them, and Mr. Hari Krishnan took care of the designing part. The flex designing, invitation, everything he did. So like that, if you started volunteering, I think the first volunteer for SREC, the section level is Hari Krishnan from SREC, I think. So likewise, we can extend. A lot of people are having a lot of potentials, so that can come out. You can utilize, whenever you start utilizing your potential, then only it will grow. Some of them may not know that this potential is with me. So if you started practicing that, then you will get a lot of other activities, you will get fame, name, everything. The third one is, I want volunteers for hub volunteers for the IEEE Coimbatore hub activities. So I'm planning a lot of activities. For that I need some of the volunteers. A college like SREC, if I get, then automatically, that is, volunteering means you have to get time to be spent out of your academics. Your academics have to be taken care, your career enhancement to be taken care. Apart from that, your volunteering should be there. If you start doing volunteering with the compromise of these two components, then that is not a real volunteering. After some time you will get a hit, then you will never do volunteering, you will never do into academics. By that time your academics also went for a toss. So you have to, I think from SREC I may get a lot of potential volunteers like that. So with this, if you are doing a lot of volunteering activities, then automatically awards and scholarships are plenty. Lot of awards and scholarships are available for IEEE members. And I can say that IEEE is one forum where instant recognition will be given to you. For example, in one activity Mr. Hari Krishnan has given, some kind of volunteering activity, he is being recognized. Now amidst of this crowd, I am recognizing him. So this is a kind of code of ethics in IEEE. Whenever some people is doing some activity, it has to be recognized. So it is in one of the code of ethics as far as IEEE is concerned. Welcome Chindamani madam. So Chindamani is my classmate during my UG studies. So I called her in the morning. I couldn't be able to get her. I thought she was in class. Thank you. So as far as this volunteering activity, after doing a lot of volunteering activities, we may get a chance of nominating ourselves to a lot of awards and scholarships. So last 4 or 5 years, IEEE Madras section is getting a lot of awards. For example, if you are a member of IEEE with a computer society member, then there is one thing called Richard Mervyn Scholarship, Richard E. Mervyn Scholarship. Whomever is doing a lot of volunteering activities at the section level, at the region level, and also at the student branch level. So if you could able to record each and every activities you did, even a small contribution, please make a note of it and prepare your profile very well. So if the volunteering activities and your technical expertise, your kind of projects you did, if you consolidate everything and if you apply yourself for Richard Mervyn Scholarship, you will easily able to get. So till 2011 or 12, Madras section is not having so much of awareness that people from Madras section will get these kind of scholarships. So the worth of that scholarship is you will be getting a very good certificate from IEEE headquarters, that is IEEE Computer Society at headquarters level. A very good certificate signed by IEEE Computer Society President. Then you will be having a plaque in which your name is engraved from IEEE Madras section for this particular year for his contribution. And you will be getting about $1,000 US dollars as cash prize. $1,000 US dollars, it's about 67,000 rupees now. So you can easily able to get, if a particular person, he started his volunteering activity in second year, probably in late second year, third year and final year, 2 years, if he is really working for the real volunteerism. That is without expecting anything you have to do the volunteering, that is called volunteerism, right? You may not get any money paid for that. So we are all volunteers, IEEE volunteers at the section level. So likewise, you may not get any money paid for it, but you may get a lot of recognitions so that your profile will have a uniqueness. Everybody is doing engineering, BE at SREC. So if, I think SREC, every company is on campus. You are not going for off campus. Very few companies you may go for off campus interviews. So when you go for on campus interviews, there is no uniqueness in you. He is also having 8.5 CGPA, I am also having 8.5 CGPA. So what difference you will have? This uniqueness is these kind of awards. If you have these kind of awards, then automatically you will be seen in a different perspective by the interviewer. So that, and I hope that IEEE is the world's largest technical forum. Every corporate will have a different respect for IEEE. I know about a lot of, I was working as a placement officer too, so I know how corporates behave. IEEE, whenever we say about IEEE, I'll be getting a lot of respects among the corporate HR people. Sir, you are an executive committee member of IEEE? Oh, it's great, sir. So this is all will come from corporates are having a wow effect as far as IEEE is concerned. If you have got an award, I've listed some awards. I had a presentation. I don't think it will take so much of time, so I'm skipping the presentation. So lot of awards are available. I'll hand over the presentation to Mr. Balamurugan sir. So you can, if some time is there, you can show that presentation to them, sir. Probably some of the people who attended the student branch congress, they know. It's based maximum the presentation I explained that. So lot of awards are there. Recently one award, Larry K. Wilson Award, won by a student from Kanchipuram district. So Larry K. Wilson Award is a very prestigious award. He did as normal volunteerism, but he went up to regional level. He is having some posting in the regional students activity committee. So likewise, if he started volunteering, lot of awards are there with money component, right? So you may think that return of investment. If you want money as a return of investment, you can take this. You do a lot of volunteerism, 2 years, 3 years, you work for IEEE, immediately you'll get that. You would have not spent so much. 67,000 and all you would have not spent in 3 years. Only about 5,000 you will spend, right? Likewise for professional members also, I want to congratulate SREC that lot of professional members are there in SREC. No other student branch, I think we can have a good applause. So I think that credit goes to Dr. N.R. Alamedu madam, the beloved principal. So she is one of the motivating factor for me. So I worked along with her as one of the executive committee member for the last 2 years. I have been inducted as executive committee member during her tenure. So I had learned a lot of things from her. She is a very good leader. So you are blessed that Dr. NRA is here as principal to guide always. Any time you can go and meet her. So she'll motivate like you anything. So the fourth task I am giving you is, please go for a lot of awards and recognitions. Please apply, get as many awards as you want. It is a lot of available awards are there. So if this particular thing has been done, probably next year, if there is any chance to come and meet you all, then I have to know that some of the people have applied for some award. Whether we are getting it or not, don't worry about that. Do apply, you will always get it. Only problem with Coimbatore people is the hesitation, the inferiority complex compared to Chennai people. So even they do very little, they'll post it like anything and they'll expose it and they'll get the fruit for it. As far as Coimbatore people are concerned, we are a bit hesitant. Why should we apply? Will we get? We did only very little activities. It includes me also. Even I'm like that. So we have to come out of that shell. We have to come out of that shell. So surely we'll go for a very successful career. And the last point I would like to address is, after the student branch activities, so you have to be very, very active in student branch activities. After that you go for regional activities, that is section level activities, regional activities. And after that, when you become a professional, please renew your membership as a professional member. I know that it is very costly, but it will give you a lot. And I want to congratulate the IEEE student branch again, because you have got about $2,000 for an EPICS project. So really, I think EPICS, I don't think $2,000, no other student branch have got. As far as the EPICS has been launched only 3-4 years back. So I think as far as Madras section is concerned, the only student branch which received $2,000 for a project. And most of the funding from IEEE will come only after the completion of that. It will be as a reimbursement. But EPICS is one area where they'll give the funding prior to start of your project. So it has been received and the project has been done, and NRA madam told that it is going to be deputed to the school within next 1 week or 2 weeks, she was saying. So I really want to congratulate for that. So we have lot of fundings. So the fifth point is about funding. So this funding will have lot of funding. Probably if NRA ma'am is very well, she'll line up with all the fundings as far as the section level. You have student project funding. So fortunately I am the chairman for student project funding for this year, 2015 and 16 I am the chair. So maximum of 2 projects you can apply from a student branch. I don't think most of the student branches are not applying. I think last year, 2-3 years, SREC is doing. So the thing is, you have to convey the message to your friends who are in other colleges. I want maximum number of student projects this year. We normally will get, we are funding only 12 projects or 13 projects in the year. I want at least 50 projects to be funded this year. That is my target. So for 50 projects to be funded, I need at least 100 to 120 projects as an entry. Then only we'll go through a certain procedure. So if the project is really having a quality and it should serve for the humanity, the project should serve for the humanity. That is the basic logo. It is saying that advancing technology for humanity. That is the basic motto of IEEE. So your project should have a quality and it should serve for the humanity, and based on the bill of materials, how much you spent on that project. So based on that, we'll be giving the funding, maximum to your tune of 15,000 rupees. Maybe it is a less amount for certain projects, but you may put in your profile that my project is a funded project. At the student level, if you have gone for a funded project, normally professionals, we are struggling for getting a lot of funded projects. Probably SREC have got a certain amount of money as a research funding. So as a student, if you started getting some project funding, then it will always speak for you. So student project funding is that, and if you started volunteering for section level, region level, I told you, so you may get a chance of getting a travel fund, or it's not a travel fund, travel come the registration fee for any congresses, region level congress. For example, last year we had congress at regional level, region 10 student YP and WIE congress at Sri Lanka. So about 10 people, 10 students have been funded for attending that completely. It about 15,000 rupees per head. So the IEEE Madras section has taken care of the complete, both the travel, stay, registration fee, everything was taken care by IEEE Madras section. So this is another funding. And the third one is, if you go for some paper presentation at international conferences. Suppose if you have applied for an international conference at Singapore, Malaysia, and is having a lot of contacts. So if you have a very good quality paper, quality project, then automatically she'll help you in getting your paper published in the conference. But for the travel, if you want to go, and nowadays a lot of virtual kind of presentation is also happening in a lot of international conferences. But even if you want to go there and personally present your paper, travel grant is there. IEEE Madras section is giving travel grant, maximum of 15,000, and if the paper is related to certain societies, the society chapters also are ready to give funding for you, for your travel. It will take care of your travel. And even registration. So if your paper having very good quality, automatically lot of societies will give you funding. So this is one kind of funding. And you have IEEE Extreme contest. I don't know whether it is being organized here. IEEE Extreme contest. One time. So I request Balamurugan sir to take necessary steps to organize IEEE Extreme program contest here, so that maximum number of batches, teams have to participate in IEEE Extreme contest. It is a global level event. So like this, lot of competitions, paper presentation contests, hackathons, website contest. So lot of certificates, awards, everything is there. So I hope that what are all points I have told, it is well received, and if some of the activities have gone through at least 25% of this crowd, I am really happy. I wanted to witness in the next program, and I wanted to congratulate you for the next program, that lot of activities are happening in this student branch. And society chapters have told about society chapters to Mr. Hari Krishnan. I want at least two to three society chapters, since a lot of branches are there. So you can have each and every society chapters. We can have communication society chapter, we can have computer society chapter, we can have power and energy society chapter, we can have nowadays transportation, electrification. It's a new transaction has been released. So these kind of society chapters have to be started, so that all the people who are sitting here are engaged, who are having certain posting, who are having certain recognition, either at section level, either at student branch level, section level, or hub level, region level, or MGA level. So I thank for the opportunity given to me, and I congratulate the student branch to have many number of activities like this. Thank you, Rendo.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us about how it feels to be an esteemed IEEE member, and also about the student activities and opportunities. There comes a day when you realize turning the page